visualize na si Bigmin. Do you like it? What did you say to Daddy?
Oh, the strawberry. Get it.
What did you say to Dad?
Thank you.
Woo, loose, loose. It's paprika. Loose, 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 loose. Oh, what's that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate biscuit.
What?
Wow, that's real. The orange. Go, slice it. Wow. Can you make an ice cream for Dad? I want ice cream. Wow, so sweet. Nice. That's magnet. Oh, ice cream. Wow, a cantaloupe. Wow. Wow, a chocolate. No chocolate. Yun na hiwa. Hindi wala. Wow, chocolate. Ay, nahiwa na din. Wow. Yun. Sabi dan daw. Thank you, Dinding. Okay, next. What do you have got? What do you have got? Next.
What?
Again. It's IKEA. Is that IKEA? Wow, so big hammer din.
But here's the ice cream.
Thank you. Wow, a big hammer. Go. Hammer it. Ganda. IKEA. Next. Wow, that is an ice cream. Yeah. A little business, okay? Look at that. Okay, next. What is that? This one. You have the color of pasta. You have also this. Different wonders of the world. We have also this one, the stabilo, standard. Eraser. Wow, Dinding. You got this one. Hey. Wow. Is that a cake?
Yeah.
Is that your birthday cake?
Yeah.
Okay, complete it. And then, sing a song for your birthday. Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
May I see your cake, Tin?
Thank you.
Wow. It's complete. Okay, get a slice. Wow. Happy birthday, Caleb.
Oh,
Happy
thank
birthday. What will you say to Mom and Dad?
Thank you, Mom and Dad. If you like this video, please like and share.